Hello, my friend, Nurse Mary here, helping you on your journey to better health. And today I want to talk to you about how to nourish and rejuvenate your lymphatic glands. We have lymphatic glands all through our body. They help us move toxic substances out of our body. And the lymphatic glands, if you have lumps and bumps or just sluggish lymphatic glands, there's so much you can do to rejuvenate them, to cleanse them. We've put together some essential oils that I want to tell you about in our details in our article below. But here's our lymphatic cleanse product. You could use this in conjunction with a lymphatic massage. And here's one right over here that you may find interesting, fun, simple. She starts out from the neck and works her way down. And just touches or massages or taps different areas where you have the most lymphatic glands. On the website, we've put a picture of a body and it shows where you have the most lymphatic glands in your body. But under your arms is one of them, and so behind each joint is one of them. So what's really cool, if you can help those lymphatic glands with massage or lymphatic brushing. I'll share another video with you, and I'll share the full videos of both of these in the details below or on our website. And so those are really good to help move that fluid. So you want to move your lymphatic, as you see in the video, you want to move your lymphatic fluid from your head down towards your belly button, and then you want to move it from your legs up toward the center of your body. Your kidneys is where it is going to be that last filtration system. And so your lymphatic glands just help. They even have white blood cells that help your body fight infection. They just clean a lot of garbage out of your body. And so we'll go through the different oils in our essential oil roll-on. Things like tangerine, which can help you get rid of waste, rosemary, which can just kind of wake up your blood cells and wake up your lymphatic system and your circulation. Sometimes one of the big things that happens with people, and I know for a fact for myself, is that if you have knee pain or soreness, you can use your lymph cleanse behind that. You can do lymphatic massage behind your knee on those lymph glands, working those fluids again, helping that venous return. Sometimes a therapeutic socks, and we'll put a link to one of our favorites, that will help basically just get that lymphatic fluid moving, because your lymphatic fluid moves based on your movement. So you have to walk, jump, massage, just different ways to move that, because they aren't like veins that have their own way to move the fluids through the body. The fluids in the lymphatic glands are moved by what you do. So something like the therapeutic socks will sometimes be just enough to help with that knee pain. It's pretty amazing. So we're going to jump on and talk a little about the three functions of lymph. It's to maintain fluid balance in your body. It facilitates the absorption of dietary fat that comes from the gastrointestinal tract and helps cleanse it and then return the fluid to your blood. The lymph system does is it enhances and facilitates your immune system. So just helping your lymphatics can help your immune system considerably. What you might experience from a lymph cleanse is people that cleanse their lymph glands often report a decrease in inflammation-related illnesses such as soreness, allergies, weight gain, and fluid retention. That's just to name a few of the things. So your lymphatic system keeps your body strong and healthy. In order to do this, you need to help your lymphatics. You need to avoid exposure to toxic chemicals and pesticides. Drink plenty of water, good quality water, and keep a healthy lifestyle, moving, exercising, playing pickleball. Anyways, there's some other things you can do to help get rid of those toxins, and that one of the big ones that we found is important, since you have so many lymphatic glands under your arms, is getting rid of aluminum-based deodorant. So we like the salt deodorant, and then I think there's another one. We'll put a link in the bottom. The exfoliating dry brushing, here's a dry brush that we like. Anyway, I just want to share some of this stuff with you and hope that this helps you on your journey to better health. Until next time, be well.